Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to enable debug to find actual bug in your Shopware shop. As you can see that the product listing page is working properly. Go to any code editor. Now we are going to add an error in boxbasic.tpl file intentionally. We removed the curly braces from the line number 14. Save the file. Reload the product listing page. An unrecognized error will show up. Now, go to the code editor. Go to the config.php file. Now go the browser with new tab and open this link. Now copy the particular codes. Paste it into config.php file. Save the file. Go to product listing page and reload it. As you can see, the error mode changed. The exact error is shown up with the exact file path. Now go to the code editor and remove the error. Save the file. Go to product listing page and reload it. It is helpful for you to find the errors. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.